Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will implement our TreeView control with the TreeItem so that it will show the hierarchy relation between the parent and child. Here in our previous video itself, we made this entry, fxml entry. We will change the comment tag when we are going to the code, and the image also ready by this time. And if you see, we create a image view out of this image icon. We saw this many times in our previous video. Get class, get resource as stream. We will specify the file name. This will give an image, and from this image we construct image view. Next, when we are constructing the tree item, new tree item, here if you specify new tree item, the first parameter what we are passing here is the name of the tree item, and second one is our icon. Here we constructed the icon, right, and we are giving that image view to the constructor of the tree item. Then TV simple we already drag and dropped to the center portion of the border view, and we have a fxml entry inside our controller, and we use that control to set the root node. So TV simple dot set root, and we pass the root node which we constructed in the previous code snippet. So now our tree view is ready with a root node. Also, when it is displaying the root node, it will display the icon. Next, from root node, we make a call to get children, and so this will give you a observable list of tree item, and we call that as child list. Then we form a loop that run for 10 times, and in each iteration we make use of this child list, and we are adding the item. Here item, if you see, we are constructing the tree item on the fly. This time we are not using icon, we are just using the string. String is dynamically formed. Item plus j, that means item 1, item 2, item 3. Likewise, we will get 1 to 10 item on each iteration. That's what we are adding here to the child list, which is retrieved from the root node. It means root node which will display with a icon, and it is named as root node. Then it will have children. Each children is named as item 1, item 2 up to item 10. Up to item 10, right? So then here we are making use of loop counter is j, right? J %3 equal to 0. That means for every third time we make the specific item as a parent. That means item dot get children. Here get children was already used on the tree node, I mean the root node. Here we make use of the children item. If it is a third item or sixth item, ninth item, that time we make use of get children. Then we add subcategory to those children to establish a parent-child relation. Then subchild dot add all, we add these 3 subcategory item, right? That's why if you see here, if this is item 6, it may have 3 more children called subcategory 1, subcategory 2, subcategory 3. So this one, right? All right, now we will go to the demo and implement this code. So as we already talked in our previous video, here we have this XML loader, right? fxml loader is loading it. So previously it loaded table view fxml, right? Now we will ask it to load tree view. Then we will change the title here. This is at 27.2. Set the title. Tree view example. Here we will go to controller. We will replace this as a string. Here inside the initialize method, as we already saw in the PowerPoint slide, we will place the code to load the tree with the tree items. So image from JavaFx scene image view. So in this code snippet, if you see, we are loading the image icon that's here on the same package. So that's why we are not giving any relative path. Get class, get resource as stream, and from this stream, this is the bit stream. This is the PNG image, and get resource at stream. It will give that as a stream of bit, and from that stream we are constructing the image. Then we are constructing the image view out of this image. Tree item. Tree item is from JavaFx scene control, and we will import the observable list also. We did that many times before. That's all here. Now we will build this, and we will run it. Here, if you see, when the stage is displayed, the tree view is displayed in the center portion of the stage, and it displays the root node. When I expand it, it will show all 10 items, and every third item, if you see, that act as a parent for other 3 sub items. So that's all here. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.